So I did want to set up a quick alternate way of doing this as well, so we can have an option. Because the Boolean gives a nice smooth curve like this, but if we wanted them just to be cut flat at different heights, there is a quick way of doing that as well, and just an alternate sort of method. I guess I should do this in box as well, just for people who don't like coding, would prefer to do it in a more visual way. So we just want an attribute file. Okay. So what we need here is to get, we have a pt num right there. So we need to just do a multiply. We want multiply constant 1.0. Actually, no, this isn't going to work in fonts because you can see the color it's putting out is the type of variable, and it's still putting out an integer. So we do want just a regular multiply. And let us find a constant is what we need. Get into there. Get our num points, which is this one. Subtract. Copy that. You could also do a subtract constant. Either is fine. Divide these by each other. Back to the box. And we'll input 2. And then we want to go vector to float for this one, so we can get our different vector values. And then we just need to go make a ramp parameter, change this to a spline ramp from a color ramp. This value goes into here. And then we add this one to this one. And then we also need to get a float to vector, because we need to, let's also copy this, take the P, which is the position. We want these first two, sorry, not the first two, the X and Z, and then the Y will be this value here. And you can see this is kind of why my preference is for Vex over Vops. I just feel like 4 lines of code is a lot tidier and easier, and frankly a bit quicker than doing all of this. But this is the exact same thing, and it just comes down to a matter of preference. And we can now edit this line, so just make sure it's working. Which it appears not to be. Let me just check why real quick. Oh, I simply forgot to add that correctly, I believe. And same in here. So to actually set those values. Let's check if this is working now. Still not quite working. I had flipped these two values around in this subtract. And it obviously doesn't work because you can't do that with a subtract. It's just 1 minus number of points, which is not what we want. We want number of points minus 1. So yours probably should have worked straight away. So that's the box version. I'm just going to delete that because I don't actually need both versions. As you know, we'll keep it just to have it there, but I'm not going to use it. Okay,